Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to study the 10th chapter of economics, that is economic planning in India. What is economic? Economic means it is related with the money, paisa. And what is planning? Planning means to decide in the present about the future, that is known as planning. Means whatever resources I am having, how I'm going to use that resource in the future. Okay, the planning is done in your house also, that is microeconomics. Your father is planning, okay, I'm having so much resources and how I'm going to spend these resources in the future. That is microeconomics, because you are making the planning for your family. But in this chapter, we are going to study economic planning in India. Means the planning which is made for India, the planning which is made for the development of the nation. Alright students, so the name of the chapter is Economic Planning in India. India got the independence in the year 1947. After getting independence, the prime target was economic growth and development. Right students, how to grow the country, how to develop the country was the prime aim of the Indian government. So in the year 1950, a planning commission was been established. Students, what is planning commission? Planning commission means a group of members from the government. They are coming together and they are planning about the development of the country in the coming few years. Okay students, so 1950 a planning commission was being established in the month of March. A planning commission was established for the economic planning of the country. Now plan is being prepared students. Remember, you are also preparing a plan. You are 11th standard students. You have preparing a plan. In the next 12 or 15 months I will clear my HSC board exam. This is a plan. A plan is always a time bound. टाइम में होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट से एनी टाइम आई विल डू इट anywhere, I will do it any period of time. That is not possible. So planning commission decided a plan which was having a period of 5 years. So the first 5-year plan was started in the year 1951 till 1956. Every plan was having a period of 5 years. That is why it was also known as a 5-year plan. Alright students, what is economic planning? Let us check out the meaning. Economic planning means is a time bound program. Time bound, time means time, वक्त, and bound matlab connected program to achieve matlab to get certain objectives. Certain matlab some objectives means targets, with the help of available resources. Matlab whatever resources, whatever things you have, with the help of those things you have to achieve some targets in a specific period of time. That is known as economic planning. Alright students, I will try to share you an example of economic planning. Students, teachers are having a time bound program. They want to achieve something with the resources which are available to them. What resources we have? We have this camera, we have this board. These are our resources. Right? What is our aim? Our aim is to explain you the syllabus of economics of 11th standard and time bound. Time bound matlab in this academic year. I cannot continue it for years, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. Right students, so just a replica of the example I am trying to share with you. Hope you got it students. Okay, what is economic planning? To prepare a plan for the development of the country. Alright students, whenever a plan is being prepared, just keep in mind one important thing. Every plan is having a primary objective, that is growth of the country. That positive things should grow up and negative things should come down. Right students, with this objective the first 5-year plan was prepared. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 5 years plan were being prepared. And then came a 12th 5-year plan. The 12th 5-year plan students we are going to discuss. Very simple, very easy. The 12th 5-year plan was having a period from the year 2012 to the year 2017. Right students, 2012 से 2017, this was the period of the 12th 5-year plan. The 12th 5-year plan was having a primary motive of sustainable growth. Growth मतलब तरक्की करना, and sustainable मतलब to survive in the market, slowly and slowly grow in the market. Just like a tortoise, you can tell. Okay. That was the sustainable growth. See the prime targets of 12th 5-year plan. They're very easy, students. All are positives here. Number one is economic growth. Students, whenever you are counting the growth of a country, the growth of a country is measured in the terms of GDP. Okay, your performance is measured in the terms of marks. Similarly, the performance of a country is measured in the terms of GDP, that is gross domestic product. If the gross domestic product is high, then the country is developing. If the gross domestic product is low, then the country is not developing. Okay, so what was the target of 12th 5-year plan? To show the economic growth, matlab country is growing in the terms of income. The target was that we should achieve the economic growth of 8%. Prior to that, it was 6%. And the target was 8% to be achieved, 2%. It sounds a small amount of percentage. Arey sir, only 2%. Yes, but 2% for a country is very, very huge. Right, students? So first one क्या था? Economic growth. Simple. As your parents are telling, okay, beta, you were having 60% marks in SSC exam. Now in HSC exam, you have to go for 80% marks. Simple as that. So that it will show your performance. Similarly, economic growth, the first target was to increase the economic growth 8% of the GDP. Second was poverty and employment. Both this concept we are very well aware. Poverty means where a person is not able to satisfy the basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. So poverty should go up or poverty should go down, students? Yes, the poverty should go down, because it is not a good sign. So poverty should be reduced in the country. And how the poverty will be reduced, students? By the generation of employment. If you give the employment to the population, they will get the income and automatically the poverty will be reduced. This is a cycle. Right, students? So what was the target? Okay, poverty should be reduced by 10%. Again, I tell you, students, this percentage sounds to be very small. But for a country level, this percentage are very vast, very huge. So poverty should be reduced by 10% and 50 million employment should be generated. मतलब रोजगार लोगों को देना है. For that, industries were developed, agriculture sector was being promoted, service sector was being polished. Everything was being done to provide the employment. Right, students? Then you are having education. बरोबर? Education is considered as the backbone for the development of every nation. If your education system is powerful, then your country is going to grow very fast. And what is happening in India, students? Many of the people, because more we are from the rural areas. In the last video, I have shared, students, nearly 69% of the population is in the rural area. So what is the mentality of the rural population? Why to send the kids to the school? क्या कर लेंगे पढ़ लिख के? Come in the farm, help us in the farm. Right, students? So government started a concept of education. Free education is given to the girls in the government schools and colleges. Subsidies fees is there for the boys. In many of the schools in the village area, they are providing the midday meal, दोपहर का खाना. Okay, and you will not believe, students, because of that meal also, many of the parents, village area I'm talking about, admit their kids in the school. So you can imagine what is the level of poverty in their area. Right, students? So education was being focused. आप लोग भी देख रहे हैं, students, कि in this COVID period also, the government has not told you to stop the education, but they have instructed passing, promoting. There's a different part. But what they have told, educate the children, pass on the knowledge. So knowledge gaining is very important. So education, basic level, primary level, high level educations, too much IIMs, IITs are there in our country also, students. So education was being given to the Indian population. The fourth one is health. Health means what? Not health. Health means to develop a proper medical infrastructure in the country. Proper hospitals should be there, doctors should be available, nurses should be there, proper equipment should be there in the hospitals, and this should be available at a subsidized rate which will be afforded by a normal individual. Now also, students, you are able to see in this COVID period, we are having lots of medicines, lots of hospitals are there, lots of COVID centers have been opened. We are trying to match the COVID-19 pandemic, but population is very high, so government parameters are trying to match, but we are doing very good in the state of Maharashtra and in our country as a whole. Okay, students, so health is being prioritized in this 12th 5-year plan. Next, infrastructure. Okay, students, infrastructure means bank, insurance, electricity, water supply, transportation, all this comes under infrastructure. Students, infrastructure is very powerful, and the trade of the country is going to increase automatically. Remember this point. So government focused on infrastructure. Now we are seeing roads are being built up, dams are there, flyovers are there. First there was a traffic congestion, now also traffic congestion is there, but it has been reduced as per the percentage of traffic in the market. Okay, students, I hope you are getting this. Is a very simple points. These are all basic points we have done in the past previous videos. Okay, students, so these were the targets, मतलब to be achieved, करना है, किया नहीं, करना है. After 2017, it is been analyzed, देखा जाता है कि whatever we were targeted, whatever were our aims, that aims are completed or not, or we are lacking behind. So accordingly, the next 5-year plan is being planned out. Right, students? So this is done by the Planning Commission in our country. Now I am going to talk something about NITI. NITI. What is NITI, students? The full form of NITI is National Institute for Transforming India. National country-wise institute is there to transform, matlab to change India, established in the month of January 2015. 2015. Matlab you are able to understand that this is the latest institute which was started by the government. Okay, students, and Planning Commission was being replaced, hata diya. Planning Commission was being replaced by this NITI in the year 2015. And what was the prime target of NITI? The prime target was accelerate, matlab go fast with the economic growth and economic development of the country. Right, students, NITI Aayog is having a chairperson, a vice chairperson. He is having a secretary at the CEO level. CEO level matlab chief executive officer, the topmost person of NITI. And that person, the secretary, is appointed, not that ordinary secretary, not that SP wala secretary. This is the secretary. You know, students, Mantralaya is there. Beside Mantralaya, I am talking about Mumbai. Beside Mantralaya, you are having Sachivalaya. Sachivalaya means the secretarial office. All big ministers are having their secretaries. And their secretaries are not ordinary people. They are not illiterate people. They are the persons who have passed out their IAS examinations. Highly qualified persons are there, students say. So in the NITI also, the secretary is appointed as a chief executive officer, and the appointment is done directly by the Prime Minister of our country. You can imagine the position of that person. If a person is been appointed by the Prime Minister. So NITI Aayog, it is also known as Aayog. Aayog means committee. Right, students? The NITI Aayog focused on the concept of think tank. See the word? Think tank. What is think tank? Think tank means a group of persons are coming together. Normally they are expert people. Group of persons are coming together. They are thinking over a particular matter and a solution on that particular matter. Right, students, in the Niti Aayog, the majority role was being played by the state government also. Matlab, what was happened in the planning commission? National government used to do everything at the national level. But what happened in the Niti Aayog? National government is there, government of India is there, but they have also included the state government in this Aayog, in this commission. Right, students? Think tank. Hope you understood. Kya hai think tank? The word sounds little weird, but it is very easy. What is think tank? Group of expert people coming together, identifying a problem and giving a solution to that problem. Alright, students, so planning commission has helped India a lot for economic growth and economic development. Alright, students, economic planning for a country is a macro concept, and economic planning for your house is a micro concept. These micro and macro economics are very important. They are the base of economics. Okay, students, hope you have understood the economic planning in India. Bye bye.